guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're well. So today I'm going to show you how to make Magira, and the following are my ingredients. I have a peanut butter, I have mala, I have two of them. I have warm water, then I have 2 lemons. So let's start. Magira is also known as peanut sauce. So I'm going to pour around 250 ml of my peanut butter. This is homemade, that's why it's a bit runny. I didn't buy from the supermarket but made it from the house. So I'm going to add around 250 ml, as you can see. That's it, because it's a meal for two. So at this point I'm going to start adding water which I'm using is warm water. So I'm going to add bit by bit until I achieve the consistency which I want. So for the peanut butter, you can buy from the supermarket, or if you have a grinder, you can make it from the house, from your house, or make it by yourself. So I'm going to continue mixing well until I have the desired consistency. As you can see, this is where we are at, and this is too thick because the moment we put it on the stove, it's going to thicken. So we need a little bit loose consistency. So I'm going to continue adding water even though there are no lumps. So ensure there are no lumps in your sauce. So you continue doing this, add more water, water until it's loose. So Magira, it's a Luo word. It's really common among the Luo people in Kenya. So I learned this about this when I was a little girl. So my mother used to make it for us at home with potatoes, and it's heavenly. It's so sweet. I hope you're going to try this and give me feedback. So as far as I'm concerned, I feel like it's still loose, so I'm going to add more water. Don't add all the water at once, add it gradually. So this is ready for our jiko. So I'm using jiko, I'm not using the gas. So I'm going to stir, because if you don't stir, it's going to form lumps, and we are not supposed to have any form of lumps in this. So as you can see, I'm using high heat. So as you can see, it's becoming thick. This is why I was telling you, while stirring, you have to ensure that you have loose consistency, so that when you put it on heat, if it thickens, it doesn't form lumps. You get? Yeah, so I'm going to continue stirring this. Then at the same time, my lemon is ready. My lemon juice is ready. Milk, sorry, is also ready. At the same time, I'm ready with salt. So the thickness is, it's becoming too thick. So I'm going to add milk. So I'm using 1 packet. So I'm going to add this until I get the good consistency for us to eat. So I used like 3/4 of a packet of milk, sour milk, that's mala, for this. So it's thick, so I'm going to add a bit again. So also milk, while adding milk, do it gradually until you have the desired consistency. Yeah, so I'm going to continue stirring this gently. As you can see, the Magira